Welcome to 1011 Beatty Road, Unit A4. This is a 1-bedroom, 1 full bath, first floor apartment home in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. Convenient to I-20, as well as I-26, Harbison dining and shopping, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we're inside the unit. As you can see, it is an open floor plan unit inside. It does have luxury vinyl plank flooring updated throughout. This is the front door to the unit. Comes off of the hallway. This unit is located right next to the building entry. As you come inside, you have a coat closet here. And you can see nice sized living room, a couple of large windows out towards the front. It's open to the kitchen as well. Just come around to the side so you can get a view this way also. The kitchen has an included refrigerator, dishwasher, and electric range. You have good cabinet space for the size as well. You also have sort of a nice ledge beneath the light there over top of the sink. Laundry room off of the kitchen here also. You have some shelving in there, as well as what looks like space for a stackable washer and dryer. You may be able to accommodate a side-by-side unit if you kind of configure to play around with the space in there. This is just a utility closet with the air handler and the HVAC in there, but there may be some additional storage space also. And then you have your 1 full bedroom and bathroom suite in the home. So you get a nice sized window. Those floors continue. You have the closet there you can see behind the mirror doors. And then you have a full bathroom, of course, a single vanity and countertop and tile flooring, and then a tub and shower here as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 1011 Beatty Road, Unit A4. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.